Hello friends, today we are going to unbox the MacBook Pro Touch Bar. You will find some basic power cables, USB Type-C to Type-C, some quick start guides and a power adapter. Inside quick start guide you will find some basic instructions about the how to use and definitely Apple stickers. It is a hard protection for the MacBook Pro. It covers all the sides of the MacBook Pro. It has got the very high efficient or resolution screen with 15 Hz. It has a beautiful butterfly 2 key which is very soft to type but makes some noise while typing. So it is the touch bar of the MacBook Pro. It replaces all the functions key and make the accessibility controls very easy to handle. It gives very user-friendly enhance like you can simply tap on the volume button and slide on the touch bar to increase or decrease the volume. That is backlight option also on this touch bar. It is a backlight of the key. You can simply see that. This is my most favorite one of the touch bar feature. You can get the color strip on the touch bar. You can simply customize the color on the touch bar and it's look really nice. You can see that you can fully customize the colors.